All right, let's go to town. Oh no, my gear shifter bushing broke. Did you start to go to town? Or maybe you was already in town, and then you got to put it in park, or you got to take it out of park, and your gear shifter does this. Yeah, that happened to me. So I'm about to show you how I fixed it once I got home. Yeah, so stick around, give me about 2 seconds, not even 2 seconds, because it's gonna be like that. And I'm going to show you how to get to what the cause of your gear shifter not shifting right is. Sorry, my truck's a little nasty. So, your gear shifter does this. It does not work right. Okay? Let me show you how to fix it. Center cup hole. Pull up on it. Pops right out. Then you take this, just move that up to about reverse level. Take your fingers, lift right there, lift right there, work it on around, pops up just like this. So it pops up just like this. Stick your hand underneath, and all you're doing is lifting. You're not popping any rivets or anything. Okay. So you got some little itty bitty tabs right here. Reach around to the other side, grab this silver piece, pops right up. Take this side, the way I did it, obviously I'm not gonna, on my phone, no, don't want to sit there. All right, so somehow or another you gotta pop this side off. I know how to do it. I've already done it. Oop, there it goes. All right. This right here moves up. Twist it, push it up, twist it around, something like that. There's this little piece right here. That's your indicator. You will pick that up, spin that around, so it looks something like that. Take your gear shifter, push it all the way back. And then you can see this little piece right here. This little piece right here. See it move? Yeah. That's your bushing that you need to replace. So, I'm doing all this to show you. I've already fixed it one time, and I'm about to show you how I fixed it. So, in order for you to put this little piece right here, that's your shifter cable. All right, you're gonna have to move your gear shifter up to about where you can slide that on there, and I may not be able to do that where it's at. Oh, I did. I am. All right, so. And there's a little space right in there that you can see this depending on what gear you're in. But ultimately, you want that to be right there, and then you slide your gear shifter all the way back. Oh, that fell off again. Having some technical difficulties. All right. Nope, that didn't work. Yeah, I was working with all my brain cells. So the way I found makes it easiest, push your gear shifter all the way back to second gear on your little indicator here. That's going to be that one right there, just before you go over to 1. All right, so that's on there. That ain't gonna come off right this minute. Now, what I'm about to do, this is a temporary fix, temporary only. Ordered the part online. I'm gonna put a screenshot of the part online. I picked it up for $10 on Amazon. It's pink, but for $10, nobody's gonna be able to see it anyway. And plus, I get to rock the pink. Yay! What you'll need is a zip tie. You're going to take the zip tie. You're going to make a loop. Just big enough to slide right here. This one's the one that I already pulled off. I'm not going to be able to slide it back on there like that. But ultimately, you'll want to make ultimately you'll want to make a little loop. About like that. Take the loop, fish it down in there. Oop, let's go this way. Fish it down in there. Make sure it's on there. Can't do this with one hand. Anyways, put the loop on there. Turd. So put the loop on there. All right, put the loop on there. Cinch it down nice and tight, because that's not going nowhere now. Yes, that's going to move around a little bit, but for the most part, that's not going nowhere. Want to know how I know? Because it does this. All right. Might be more helpful if you got a bigger zip tie. I went with the small zip tie that I had, but ultimately that's not going nowhere. There's a little notch just on the inside of this pin right here that the zip tie sits in, and as long as that's pointing up a little bit, that's going to keep your linkage from falling off. As I said, this is a temporary fix. This is not a permanent fix. Yes, I know my vehicle's disgusting. I've never pulled this part off till just like 2 hours ago in a Walmart parking lot, trying to put it in park. So, yeah. So, put your zip tie on. Of course, you're going to cut off the excess right here. And then you'll put all this stuff back together. I'm about to cut the excess off of this. I'll be right back, just like back. All right, the excess is cut off. So you'll take this, move it up to about the neutral spot. You will turn this right here back around. Make sure your indicator piece is back right. Okay, that's reverse. All right, indicator thing's back. And you'll grab this jigger, a center console piece, and then you'll slide it forward, all the way forward, Won't go no further. Make sure that's pushed in there. Might be a little snug fit going back in. Never hurt to beat it a little. Then you put your center console piece right here back in. Beat it a couple times. Should go back in there, right? And then you have temporarily fixed this. Whenever I go to fix it for good, I'm probably going to record that and do a follow video. But if you enjoyed it, smash that like button. If you didn't, smash that like button. Y'all have a fantastic day. Goodbye.